Hi, I'm here to talk about Ceramic Pro protection for wood. When you talk about Ceramic Pro, you'll often hear people talk about the anchor pattern. Anchor pattern is basically, you could think of it as peaks and valleys of any substrate. In this case, talking about wood, there's so many challenges to permanently protect wood and not use an oil because of the deep caverns of that anchor pattern. What makes Ceramic Pro so unique is that it is a permanent protection. It permanently fills those valleys, adding a rich look that still looks very original while offering chemical resistance, resistance against water, etc. I'm going to show you a little bit about what I'm talking about here. And you'll see here that we have a 50-50 coated piece of wood. Obviously, this is the treated side with the sticker. It also says coated on this side, and this is untreated. Now looking at this here on its own, you'll see it does have a natural tone to it. It's not overly shiny or oily looking, and it does have somewhat of a wet look, and this is permanent. Now, what I'm going to show you is the water repellency, which is great for preventing aging, preventing mildew, and things like that. So this is just a bottle of water, and as I spray it on the surface, you'll see that on the treated side, you leave beads behind, and the water does not permeate in. Whereas on the untreated side, there's no beading, and it will soak into the wood and cause it to look wet like the treated side, but in this case, that's a negative. If you scroll in here again, I'll take a towel and wipe off the beads, and I'll wipe off the untreated side as well. And you'll see now that the two sides look somewhat similar, and that's because the water has soaked into this side, whereas this remains as it began. Thanks so much for watching. That's Ceramic Pro as a treatment for wood.